So we are going to move into our science time. Yes, it is building towers. Hey, Sabina, come on out. Yes, you can help yourself. All right. Come on around. You guys want to share a chair? All right. Come on, Sabina. Come on, Danny. Come on, Valley. You were going to get gum. Now you've lost your you lost your privilege. Okay. You need to, because you're not doing what you're supposed to. All right. Well, we're going to do it in 2 teams, I think. Have you got everybody? Were there any extra straws, Mrs. Brown? What's that? I don't know. I think if I could do 3 teams. So if you have more rolls of tape, because I've just got, I can, if they're done with their science, everybody should be done with science except for me, right? Okay, sounds great. All right, so, hey, Sabina, you're really not making a good choice right now. You need to put this away quickly and get a chair quickly. We're starting already. Thank you. All right. Okay. Well, I'm undecided on that. Okay. Oh, you lost your sticker. Oh. Okay. Ears over here. Listening ears over here. So today, does anybody know what our 5 core habits are of grammar? What? We haven't really talked about this much in my class, but I thought we'd go over this today. So the first is naming. So, what could you name on this table?
Tape, straws.
Scissors, tape, straws. That's right. That's right. All right. Here's another part of naming. What do you already know? What have you already learned about towers or about building?
That they are sturdy.
They're sturdy. That's right. They don't tip over.
Tsunami can sometimes knock them over.
Oh, but a tsunami could sometimes knock them over. Here's another question for you. What are the tallest towers you know?
Big Ben.
Big Ben. It's a big clock in London. A skyscraper. Eiffel Tower in Paris. Okay, anybody else?
That's not really a building, is it? Yeah, that's a building.
It's a building?
Statue of Liberty.
The Statue of Liberty is a kind of tower. Roland.
Empire State Building.
Empire State Building. Okay, now I have a question. What is the shape at the top of those towers?
Square. And
Pointy.
triangle.
Sometimes it's a triangle. Yes. Fire?
There's fire on there's
Oh, for Statue of Liberty? Is that the highest point, or is her crown and head the highest point? The flame is the highest point. What kind of shape is that, though, to Val's point? Shh. Listening. It's pointy, right? Even the flames go into a point. Yeah, kind of like, that's right. All right, that's naming. All right. What do you notice about towers? Do they get stronger or weaker towards the top? Think about all the towers we named. They get weaker. Where are they the strongest, Val?
At the bottom.
At the bottom. At their foundation is a place that they are the strongest. What kind of shapes? Okay, Eliza. What kind of shapes make them strong at the bottom? What kind of shapes do you see? A square on the bottom? A rectangle?
Circle.
If you think about Eiffel Tower is such a great example because we can actually see the beams. What kind of shapes do you notice at the bottom of the Eiffel Tower? A triangle. Triangle at the bottom, right? And sometimes No dry erase markers. Here we go. Sometimes. So let's say we have a tower like.
Markers on the other side of that one.
It's not working. Okay. All right. So let's think about
Hey, where's Gideon? He's supposed to be here too.
the Eiffel Tower. Goes like this. Here's the right. The Eiffel Tower has this triangle shape at the bottom. But some towers. We talked about either having a square or a rectangle, right? And then Val talked about there being this kind of like Empire State's Building or a Sears Tower. At the bottom, what you can't see, if you could rip the walls and the windows away, what kinds of shapes do you think you'd see inside the walls? Just lines? Just lines like this? Has anyone ever seen this like while they're building a building?
Yes.
Have you ever seen that?
That's because we live right by them.
Yeah, what kinds of shapes are inside sometimes?
Triangles.
Triangles. You see rectangles. Yep, that could be on the inside.
Half triangles.
All right. So now you get to have an opportunity in teams to build a tower. So what I would like you to do, since we have such a big class today. Yes, Olivia?
Do you want us to build the World Trade Center?
The World Trade Center. Well, your tower can look however you want it to look. Here we're gonna be 3 groups today. We're gonna be 3 groups.
I choose these.
And I want us to go in age order from oldest to youngest to keep it fair. So Roland, you'll be over here, and Eliza, you'll be down here on this end. Stefan's on either side. Now, come on, everybody get up. You got to figure out who's oldest. Brown brought in an example for us. Okay, look at what you see. All these shapes that we've talked about. Triangles. Okay, what Val told us. Val, is the bottom stronger or the top stronger? The bottom needs to be stronger. Okay, you have about 15 minutes to build a tower with your team. You can use scissors. You can use tape. Listen. These straws. I'm just gonna give you a big hint. These straws are stronger than those straws. So what do you want to start with?
In the sandbox.
You want to start with
In the
these.